How to fix Rockstar Games Launcher not working. The very first thing you want to do is to check your Windows update. One of the most common reasons for connection issues with Rockstar Games Launcher is an outdated version of Windows. So ensure that it's up to date. Now the next thing you want to do is, you can think about using a Rockstar Game VPN. A VPN can help solve network problem and maintain a stable connection with game servers. What you want to do is, download and install iTop VPN on your computer. Head over to All Servers or For Gaming tab, choose a free and available server and click Connect. You will see a connected sign on the main interface. Now you can try to connect to Rockstar Game Services again. With iTop VPN, you can enjoy a smoother gaming experience with fewer network issues. Plus, the added security measures can help protect your personal information from cyber threats. So once you are connected to VPN, try launching your Rockstar Game Launcher, and I hope it's gonna work for you. But if you are still facing the issue, then you can try perform a clean boot. When you have trouble connecting to Rockstar Game Services, performing a clean boot may help resolve the issue. This can help you identify and eliminate any conflict that may be preventing you from connecting to Rockstar Game Services. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Rockstar Game Launcher keeps crashing. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.